This was such an exciting meeting. I can't thank our sponsors enough for taking it on together with us and taking a leap of faith. We did it at the New York Academy of Medicine at the large hall, and it was full with 600 attendees, which is beyond our expectations. This is a very hot topic, and we definitely will take it on, and we'll do it next year with new data. So tune in next year, and please come to the next GLP-1 meeting next year, and we are hoping that our sponsors will sponsor us again. Thank you so much.
What did you think of the event today so far?
The GLP-1 conference today was very insightful and interesting, and the content was very innovative.
Thank you so much. How did you enjoy the meeting?
I absolutely love the meeting. I have never really signed up for a meeting like this before, so it piqued my interest when I got the email, and I'm so glad that I came. It was such an amazing meeting. It was a multi-specialty meeting, so I got to learn a lot of new information that I had not been exposed to before, and overall it was just such an incredibly educational meeting, and I loved it.
What did you think of today's event?
It was amazing and still ongoing. We're learning a lot about GLP-1s, inflammaging, obesity, and importantly, for me, because I'm a dermatology resident, the contribution and the effects on the skin, as well as really holistically how it affects the entire body and how we can use it to help our patients.
What one word best reflects your experience at GLP-1 Summit?
Very educational and impressive. I think that's 2 words though.
Cross-disciplinary.
Definitely diverse.
Innovative.
I would say important.
GLP-1s are the future.
I want to cordially invite you to come to our next Inflammatory Skin Disease Summit that will happen next year in November 2027 here at the New York Academy of Medicine.